Hey, I'm Kim. Today I want to talk about matte boxes, like this Smallrig one. This is the original Smallrig matte box. They have brought out a newer one now, which is a bit smaller and probably more suited to the hyper cameras that I shoot with, but this is the one I own. And I've been pretty happy with it using it. It certainly adds a nice bit of shade and it certainly makes my camera setup look a lot more professional, if you like that word. Yeah, it certainly works. So, problem being when you go to put filters on it, because this can't take any of the existing filters that I usually screw into my lenses. It takes plate filters, which are usually 4x4 or 4x5.65 inch in size. And the problem being they cost several €100 each. So by the time you add 3 or 4 of those to your kit, that's the price of a new camera, which is a lot to kind of think about if you were just having it for a bit of shade. Because the way it mounts, at least if you screw it onto the lens, it takes away the ability to mount a round filter. So I was thinking, how do I get past that? Well, the easiest thing for me to think about was if I mimicked the plate that goes in here, but made it out of plastic that I could then mount a screw-in filter to. I originally, of course, prototyped something up out of cardboard here, which I just basically chopped out a hole of 82mm in the middle of it to see if it would work. And yeah, it works really well. So that's gone into the recycling. And I got my friend to 3D print me up this because I don't own a 3D printer. A lot of libraries, I think, if you're looking for one, will be able to let you use a 3D printer quite often for free, or you can go online to use them. So after some very careful measurement and trial and error and fine tuning, we came up with a design that worked really well. I got this printed and I stuck into it with a bit of epoxy resin, an 82 to 77mm step down ring. This just simply slots into the side of the matte box, same as every other plate filter does, and then screw on your variable ND filter. That gives you access from the front. You just have to reach your hand in and give it a little twist as you need there and then. And as long as you're not using a really wide lens, you'll never even see your hand. So it does work pretty well. I've been using it and very happy with the results. And it's certainly an awful lot cheaper than spending €400 or €500 on a couple of really cheap glass filters for your matte box. So if you want to try it out, the links are below the like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.